Hello guys, so I've been using Privy real estate software for a while now, and I have to say, it's a pretty solid tool if you're trying to manage your real estate marketing and sales all in one place. Right from the start, I liked how it lets you create and connect your store or website so you can add more features for clients and potential buyers. This integration makes it easy to keep everything in one place and add the tools you need as you grow. Whether you're a small real estate agency or scaling to a larger operation, this kind of integration can help streamline your workflow and reduce the need for multiple apps or services. The pop-up campaigns and email marketing tools are really intuitive once you get the hang of them, and I found it especially useful for tapping into high-intent leads across multiple touchpoints. It's like having a single platform to handle a bunch of things that normally would require multiple apps or services. For example, with Privy, you can set up pop-ups to capture leads on your website, while also sending targeted emails, all from the same dashboard. This integration saves a ton of time and effort while increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns, making it easier to nurture leads throughout their buyer journey. The thing that stands out for me is how much it can actually drive conversions. Once I set it up to match my website and branding, I noticed that potential leads started turning into actual clients, which is the whole point. By aligning the tool with your brand's colors, tone, and messaging, you can create a seamless experience for visitors, making them feel more comfortable and confident in your services. It's easy enough to use that I could manage campaigns without needing to call tech support every time. The platform feels stable and reliable for regular use, which is essential when managing ongoing campaigns. This reliability helps ensure that your marketing efforts are always running smoothly, especially during high traffic times. That said, it's not perfect. Some of the pop-up features don't always work exactly as intended. For instance, I wanted certain pop-ups to appear based on scroll percentage, but sometimes they just popped up immediately, which can throw off the user experience. Pop-up timing is crucial for maximizing engagement and conversions. If they show up too soon, you risk annoying potential clients. But if they show up too late, you might miss the chance to capture their interest. This was a bit frustrating because the timing of pop-ups plays a huge role in how well they convert leads. It's important to fine-tune these settings for optimal results and test different triggers to see what works best for your audience. Also, I did hit a snag when trying to send a campaign to an existing client list. Some emails got marked as spam, and Privy blocked the list, which was frustrating. This is something to be aware of if you're working with large email lists and want to avoid issues with deliverability. To mitigate this, I recommend regularly cleaning your email list and making sure you're following best practices for email marketing, like getting explicit consent from users to receive emails and avoiding spammy language. Ensuring your emails are well-targeted and personalized will also help improve deliverability and engagement rates. Price-wise, it's a bit higher than some other providers out there. Once your visitor count grows or you start scaling your campaigns, the higher tier plans can get pretty expensive. This can be a consideration if you're a smaller operation or just starting out. However, despite the occasional hiccup, I found the value for money reasonable because of the sheer convenience and the range of features Privy offers. It's a good investment if you're looking for a comprehensive marketing tool that combines email, pop-ups, and lead management into one platform. Plus, the time saved and the potential increase in conversions more than justify the cost, especially as your business grows. Overall, if you're in real estate and want a tool that combines email marketing, pop-up campaigns, and lead engagement in one place, Privy is worth checking out. It's not perfect, but it works, and I've definitely seen results firsthand, which makes it easy to recommend from my own experience. Whether you're a new Shopify store owner or running a real estate business, Privy's ability to centralize your marketing efforts and automate key processes can make a huge difference in your lead generation and conversion strategies.